Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a feather masking on VN Video Editor. So here for this feather masking, you need at least you need to prepare at least 3 videos, and here I'm going to edit the first video. So I'm going to add this one's right here. And then I'm going to change the format first into into this right here, and then oops, I'm going to so just like that. And then I'm going to add the second video as an overlay. So just click on tab to add sticker and choose video or photo and choose the second video that you want. For example, this one's right here. And then next, go to menu and then click on fit, and after that drag the video to the left or right. I'm going to choose right, and then click on mask and choose linear, and then here just rotate the masking into like this, and then yeah, like that. And then here you can add a feather effect. Just drag this arrow right here to the left or right. So I'm going to go like that. And then next I'm going to click on a check icon and add the third video. Click on that. So you can just follow the same steps that as before. Okay, I'm going to choose this and then go to fit, and then click drag the video to the right like this, and then go to mask, choose linear, and then rotate again the masking like this, and then here just add a feather effect like so, and then click on the check icon. I'm going to adjust this masking on this video, okay, like that. And then here is the feather effects. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can just edit it anytime. I'm going to drag this one right here and drag this one, and here is the final result. Okay guys, so I think that's all. That is how you can add a feather masking on VN Video Editor. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the next videos. Bye.